Hello guys, welcome back to Acelabview YouTube channel. On our last video, we took a tour on how to navigate through our medium speed engine simulator. On this session, we are going to be identifying different switchboards for different equipment on board ship. Alright guys, so we navigate to the control room. Alright, so we can see our 416 kilovolt switchboard port side here. So alright guys, so we can also see our 416 kilovolt generator switchboard here. We can also see our 416 switchboard for our starboard side. Alright, so we can also see our main switchboard for our 480 volts equipment. We can also see our low consumption switchboard, our 110 volts here. Alright, so we can also see our operation decks where we can find our HMIs and public address systems and all of that. So guys, first we're going to start with identifying the equipment connected to our 416 switchboard on our port side. Alright, so we can see the switchboard for our port side here. So guys, we have our bow thruster tunnel here. We have our Fifi pump. Alright guys, we also have our azimuth thruster. Yeah, and finally we also have our transformer 1. Alright guys, so moving over to our starboard side, we also have similar equipment connected to the starboard side. We have our transformer 2, we have our azimuth thruster 2, we have our Fifi pump 2, we have our retractable thrusters. Alright, so navigating to our generator switchboard, we have a switchboard for generator 1, we have a switchboard for generator 2. Okay, navigating to our main switchboard, we also have our 480 volt bus tie. Yeah guys, so we can also see the switchboard for our transformer 1. We can also see the switchboard for our transformer 2. Alright guys, so navigating to our main switchboard for our 110 volt, which is our low consumption switchboard. So we can see our receivers. Okay, so we can also see a switchboard for transformer tiebreaker. Alright guys, so we also have our receivers for our transformer tiebreakers. We also have our frequency meter. We also have our insulation meter, a voltage meter. Alright, so we also have our harbor stroke emergency 110 volt switchboard breaker. Okay, and we can clearly see this is on PMS mode. Okay, that's power management system. Alright guys, so moving over to our operational decks, or we can call it KHF, located in our ECR. We can see our PA system, or public address system, indicating all our equipment on board. We can see our generator 1 to 3 are all on, 4 on standby, as it should be. So guys, we can also monitor our equipment through this medium. You can see our DG1, our DG2, DG3. We can also see harbor stroke emergency DGs, or they're on. All right, now we can see their current state. All right, so we can also see freshwater cooling. So we can see our emergency telegraph on our starboard side. We can see our selector switch for selecting the control. All right, so we can also see the same thing on our port side. We have our auto telephone. All right, so we can see our propulsion control panel. All right guys, so on our next video we're going to be looking at diesel generators, and this is going to be getting really interesting because we will be simulating on how to turn on and off the generators and the procedures to do that. All right guys, so keep tabs on our next video. You can turn on the post notification button to get notifications on our next video.